Hey everyone, welcome in for today's video. This is Simple How-Tos by J&A, and today we're going to be doing part 2 on how to fix a squeaky sunroof. So in the last episode, I used this 303 Rubber Seal Protectant on the sunroof, and it improved it, but it didn't solve the problem. So today we're going to be using a little bit of a different product. Today we're going to be using this synthetic caliper grease, and it comes in like a little tube. I got it at O'Reilly Auto Parts, and we're just going to put it on a paintbrush and put it all around our sunroof. So let's get started. Also, I meant to mention, the reason we're doing this is the 303 sealant helped, but it didn't completely eradicate the problem, so I'm going to try this product and see if this eradicates the problem. So I went ahead and added some to my paintbrush, and it's this light blue clear color. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spread it on there onto the sides here. And these are really the problem points. It's these little connections when they bump across the rubber seals of the sunroof. So I'm just going to do that all the way across. All right, so I've gotten all 4 sides of the sunroof, including the front. Now I'm going to get in this crease right here, and get some of the blue gel on there as well. All right, and I got that on some places that I shouldn't have. I kind of got a little bit overspray. So I got a microfiber. I'm just gonna, wipe up where I got too much on the paint or on the roof, whatever it might be. So I'm gonna do that real quick too. All right, now that that's done, I'm gonna turn my car on, and I'm just gonna open and close the sunroof a couple times, just to get everything all synced up together. All right, and I think that is good. So I think this is going to be good now. From what I can tell, the squeaking is gone. It used to be if I pushed up here, I would hear squeaks. I don't hear those anymore. So I think this is good. So if your sunroof squeaks, I would highly recommend this product. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching.